All right, scientists, today we're going to review the idea of using a triple beam balance to measure mass. First thing you want to recognize with any triple beam balance is making sure that your riders are all at zero. Make sure they're at zero so that you can tear it out and make sure you zero it at that point. You want to make sure that your line is marked right up with the zero. As you can see, mine is going to be slightly off. And so I'm going to have to use my adjustment knob over here to change the actual mass to make sure it goes to zero. It might take a few tries. That's why you need to make sure and follow our orange norm to be kind and patient. Almost there. A little bit more, and I think we'll be in good shape. And there we are. A little bit more this way. Okay. Now, with that zeroed out, I'm going to check and we're going to find a few different masses throughout this. So what I want you to do today is I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure to do this. We're going to do it in a certain order. I'm going to use my phone to try and demonstrate this. As everything is zeroed out, it's zeroed over here. I put my phone or the object that you're going to be measuring on the balance, on the pan for the balance. Now you're going to notice it goes all the way up. We're going to start with the hundreds, which is your middle beam, and I'm going to go to 100 grams. It didn't move, so I need more. 200 grams is too much. So I go back to the 100, and notice it clicks right in place. It shouldn't move back and forth. It should be stuck. If I have it off of there, it's easy to move it back and forth. So you want to have it in place. Now I'll go to the tens at the far back. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Starts to move. That's too much. So we go back to 70. So now so far I'm at 170 grams. Now I'm going to move the individual one until it balances. It'll be somewhere between 0 and 10. Getting closer. And your exact measurement will be when that hits, when the reading line hits the 0. And there we are. Now with the reading line at 0, I come back around and check my numbers. We had 170, so there's 170, and that's 170, and there's 8, 178, plus another 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'd be 184, 178.4 grams. So that's 178.4 and measuring it in grams. And that is how we're going to measure the masses today. And if there are any questions, of course, we'll answer them at this point. Thank you.